Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Dr. Bronner's Peppermint soap. Full guide. Start by diluting a small amount with water to create a mild cleanser for skin and surfaces. Use 1 to 2 drops per ounce for gentle face wash or more for body and floors. Rinse thoroughly after use and moisturize if skin feels tight. Store bottle upright and label any homemade mixes for safety and ease of use. When using Dr. Bronner's Peppermint soap on face and body, always err on the side of dilution to keep skin comfortable. Mix a few drops with water in your palm or with a gentle carrier like jojoba for dry skin areas. Pat skin dry instead of rubbing and apply moisturizer while slightly damp to lock in hydration. For sensitive skin, reduce concentration further and perform occasional patch tests. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical tips. Quick recommendation. On another note, the new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading while you relax after a peppermint shower. It's lightweight and easy to grip with damp hands. Check the description for the purchase link and other deals so you can grab one if interested. And now let's get back to the video. Dr. Bronner's Peppermint soap shines beyond personal care when diluted properly for household tasks. Use a teaspoon per cup of water for a kitchen or bathroom spray and wipe surfaces clean, avoiding untreated wood. For laundry, pre-treat stains with a diluted spot solution and rinse well. Delicate fabrics may need a milder cleanser. Use sparingly on outdoor gear and always rinse thoroughly to prevent residue or scent buildup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.